North Wales home is gonna knock your socks off. Jennifer Dacanay here. Let's go take a tour. Like new construction without the wait, this move-in ready home checks all the boxes. Modern finishes, fantastic layout, and unbeatable location.
Come on.